In Houston's fast-moving industrial world, time is crucial, and so is performance. That's why Bird Tire Sales and Service Inc. delivers same-day, on-point solutions for forklift and material handling tires across Greater Houston. From press-on, solid pneumatic, foam-filled, to poly and industrial tires, our full inventory is on-site and ready when you need it. We bring repairs to you with mobile tire pressuring or handle it in-house to minimize your downtime. We don't just sell tires, we outfit fleets. We install and service all the major brands like Nissan, Hyster, Yale, John Deere, Bobcat, Komatsu, and more. As a company with over 3 decades of trusted service, we know uptime is everything. Call 713-756-4881 or toll free at 800-234-1885. Bird Tire Sales and Service, Houston's industrial tire headquarters, where downtime ends and uptime begins.